In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny notifications from Messages app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Messages. That's where you can easily find notifications. Just get into it and you will be taken to the screen where you are able to configure the notification settings. First off, guys, if you just want to turn off all the notifications, you can easily do so by turning off that feature. Also, you can turn on even critical alerts. However, I don't recommend you to do so. I recommend you to keep that button always turned on. And also, that's where we can configure which exact types of notifications we want to get. So if you would like to, let's say, turn off notifications on the lock screen, you can easily do so. Just tap at the lock screen to deselect it. And then in the same way, we can turn on or off notifications at the notification center and banners. Then we can choose banner style. We can switch between temporary and persistent here. Also, that's where we can change sounds for the Messages app notifications. We can turn on or off, showing that kind of badges here that is showing us the number of unread notifications. We can easily do so by turn on or off that feature. And also we can here, if we get into show previews, we can configure if you would like to show previews of the Messages app on the lock screen. In that case, now as you can see, I got some notifications here and it is showing me that notification description. However, we can easily, by switching that to let's say never, we can easily turn off showing preview text on a Messages app notifications. Then also, if we get into notification grouping, we can group notifications by app. Also, we can keep it automatic, which is selected by default. And also, you can easily turn notification grouping off. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.